We are a school, but we can also be a place for everyone to enjoy learning.
Gardens, outdoor spaces, after school stuff, cinema, parties, weddings, an observatory.
A learning resource centre, not a library. A place where senior students can help older community learners. We want to be sustainable in a forward-thinking way.
We can make things and sell them. A community cafe could make money for the school.
A low-maintenance school with all the right management systems in place.
We want subjects in the right place and distributed properly. No huts, less space between classes.
Everything needs to be visible, no nooks or crannies.
Places to go at lunch and at break, places to work, places to socialise.
A place where local cultural excellence can be expressed. Debating, music, drama, arts.
A new age should be colourful and not a box. It should stimulate learners' interest and be an enjoyable place for teachers to work in.
There needs to be furniture which is comfortable, modern and with choice and variety.
A school which has technology of tomorrow embedded in everything.
Many voices have spoken about their ambition for a new learning hub in Anstruther. Common themes and aligned aspirations for a new facility have been identified. The new Wade is seen as a place which can catalyse change and improve opportunities that extend far beyond that of a building project alone. A journey of change has been mapped, with a new facility at the heart of a holistic approach considering people, process, and place. The need to ensure any investment maximises benefit for the full community has been emphasised by all participant groups. Another focus is one of widened and inclusive participation, with the learner at the centre. New ways of doing things and the implementation of innovative learning and teaching methodologies have been articulated as key drivers. The ambition to increase the capacity for partnership working with service areas across the Council and beyond has been expressed. A new culture of how space is used and managed, along with efficient space models, are seen as key enablers to maximizing the effective use of any new facility. This efficiency is also seen as enabling greater sustainability. The need to maximize occupancy within the building dictates that this new facility needs to be one which is familiar and expressive of the strong local personality and culture. A reimagined Wade will locate the learner at the center. In this case, however, the definition of the learner has been widened to include users of all ages and stages. From primary transitions through to ICT training for the retired and elderly, it's intended that the new Wade should be able to provide an extensive range of courses, options and services for the benefit of all. Classes across the day, evening, weekends and holiday periods, along with distance learning, will be available to both the school and wider community. The outcome of users leaving the new Wade as confident, empowered individuals who have gained a truly integrated learning experience is a key driver and underpins all aspects of the vision and aspiration. The new facility will allow delivery of innovative teaching and learning strategies which cannot be effectively delivered at present because of the nature of the existing environment. The new spatial model will allow many modes of learning to operate. Providing choice and variety of teaching modes requires a responsive environment with a rich variety of settings to suit the needs of the individual learner. The creation of well-resourced, flexible learning spaces will enable greater opportunities for collaborative working between teaching staff. The ability for staff to support each other and learn from best practice examples will allow an evolution into a greater focus on thematic and interdisciplinary approaches. This new learning landscape, supported by truly integrated ICT solutions, enhances the ability for more flexible approaches to teaching in the broad general years, as well as the more specialized focus of the senior phase. Inclusion of settings with flexible uses encourages impromptu utilization as well as creating a rich menu of bookable spaces to learn and work in, further supplementing the key driver of choice and variety. Enhancing opportunity for economic activity needs a focus on the wider context, looking locally and beyond. Spaces which can support capacity building for emerging and existing local entrepreneurs, businesses and enterprises, whilst offering skills, training and advice, will be included within the new facility. A new Wade will build upon strong cross-service relationships and extend the positive culture of integrated support services which already exists. The new facility will locate support services along with community learning and development at its heart. A truly integrated approach to service provision is intended to be reflected in the building's design and spatial adjacencies. A new Wade will facilitate an increased understanding between the school and wider community by encouraging interaction. An integrated community library, cafe, and dining spaces, accessible throughout the day, will allow opportunity for this intergenerational activity to occur seamlessly. It will be a place for the community to access local council services, as well as being a place to support digital participation. Spaces which can multiflex to support a number of different activities across the day, the week, the year will be provided, maximizing the opportunity for community use and participation. Underpinning the vision is the need to ensure use of space is optimized and that the space planning maximizes the value of every square meter provided for learning activity. The new facility will minimize its impact on the environment through a new utilization culture and a space-efficient approach. Through continued participation and engagement, the design development will be driven by local demand, considering the school and community needs as well as all opportunities. This approach will ensure that investment in a new building adds utmost value to the East Neuk. It will be a place of enhanced local pride and expressive of the open and welcoming community ethos. In documenting the vision, it is possible to identify key drivers that will guarantee success both initially and in the long term. These drivers are non-negotiable constructs which will be supported organisationally throughout the development of this project.
Integrated. Enhanced local pride.
Welcoming and open.
Learning opportunity increased.
Space optimised.
With a utilisation culture.
Supported families and parents.
Local office, community cafe and library.
Public access throughout the day.
A truly integrated learning experience for all ages and stages.
Confident and empowered learners.
Choices and options for all.
An interdisciplinary approach supporting all learner modes.
Personal choice for learners.
A holistic approach to new technologies.
Collaborative approaches.
Support for learning.
Visiting professionals.
Voluntary sector.
Community learning.
Student support.
Police.
Enhanced opportunities for economic activity.
Education and enterprise working seamlessly.